And welcome to this weather video with Alvin Kamau as February is beginning. And so in this video, we're going to look at how the start of the month looks like, and we're basically going to continue from there, looking at what the Climate Prediction Center is thinking, as well as looking at what the European model is thinking as we are beginning February. But let's first look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. And please note that this was released February 4th, the day you're watching this video. So we're definitely going to see some changes. And this starts from February 10th to at least the 14th. And as you can see, temperatures are expected to be above normal for this time of the year, but that doesn't mean warm temperatures. It just means slightly above normal temperatures for this time of the year. But look at the northeast and the east coast. Those areas are expected to be well above normal for this time of the year as we head from February 10th through the 14th. And so that's something you do need to know. Although this is really the beginning of February, as we head towards later on in February, as you can see, will change the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. We have temperatures in Missouri and Illinois around that normal when it comes to those temperatures. And then as we head towards the southeast, places like Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, those areas are expected to be below normal. Of course, this can change a little bit, but one thing this is telling me is we're going to go from above normal temperatures to near normal temperatures, meaning that as we progress through February, we could have slightly cooler temperatures as we head towards the middle part of February. So that's something that we do need to pay attention to really closely. But of course, this could change, and of course, we're going to look at what the European model is thinking when it comes to these temperatures. And as I continue to go through this, you can see those mild temperatures for the first part of February, but notice how we go through February later on in the month, and note how those temperatures start to become even cooler. But note these are also morning and daytime temperatures, so don't get scared at what you're looking at, because we're definitely going to see some changes. But this gives you a good idea of how we're starting the month with some mild temperatures, and then maybe as we head towards the middle part of the month, maybe even the end of the month, we have slightly cooler temperatures for this time of the year. And that's why when you look at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, it shows those below normal temperatures and near normal temperatures for a good portion of the US. And again, this is something that we're going to monitor very closely as we move through February. You're probably also noticing that I'm not looking at the precipitation outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center, and that's because that's more likely to change. The temperatures normally don't change a lot when it comes to these outlooks, but when it comes to precip, that definitely could change. So as we head towards later on in the month, if I do see those signs of above normal precip, I'll let you know. But based on what I am seeing right now, it looks like below normal precip as we head towards the middle part of February. Again, changes are possible, but that is something we're going to be monitoring very closely. And of course, for those updates, you can download Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, and follow me. The link will be down in the description. I will post outdoor weather updates as frequently as possible. When I'm busy, I don't really post, but when I'm available, I will post those weather updates. And of course, here as well. Until then, happy February, as this is February 4th, 2024. And of course, I'll see you on Twitter for those weather updates.